Number 116, 2/3 of 300 is 40 times what number? So gawan lang natin ito ng equation. I-translate natin word by word. So we have 2/3, 2/3, and then of means multiplication. Then we have 300 is means equal sign. And then we have 40 times. So 40 times what number? Let's say n. So just solve for n. So simplify lang natin. Itong 300, pwedeng i-divide directly by 3. 300 divided by 3, that is equal to 100. Then multiply natin ito, 2 times 100, that is equal to 200, equals 40 times n, so that is 40n. Kailangan i-isolate ang n, so divide both sides by 40. So cancel na yung 40, right side ay n na lang. So ito 200 divided by 40, tanggalin na agad natin yung tigisang 0 and then divide lang yung natira, 20 divided by 4, that is equal to 5. So therefore the correct answer is letter C, 5. Follow for more.